everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm taking a part in another CAC or Creative Arts collaboration video. It's amazing to think that I have been doing this on and off for a year, and it's hard to believe that my first CAC video happened to be a year ago this month, which is really awesome. If you want to check out that video, go ahead and click up over in this corner right over here, click the little eye, and it'll take you to my very first CAC video. That card is actually one that I'm most proud of because of how well the theme and everything just came together so incredibly well. Now, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. The CAC or Creative Arts collaboration is a whole bunch of artists that get onto YouTube and put up videos all at the same time. That basically turns YouTube into a virtual art gallery. In order to access this art gallery, all you have to do is go up in that search bar above my head and type in the hashtag, which is hashtag #LoveSummerArt. I'm going to put that down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. There's also going to be a link to a playlist for all of the different artists that are participating in this CAC hashtag event. So make sure to check out all the other artists. There are painters, sculptors, yarn people, all this amazing art that is going to be floating around YouTube, so make sure to go check out all the other videos. So for my video, I'm going to be doing something that's definitely off kilter. In fact, it's really off kilter. I'm going to be putting together this card right here. We've had a lot of spring storms this year. It seems like more than normal here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and Oklahoma and Texas in general. And so because of that, there has been a lot of tornadoes and hail damage and all sorts of things going on. And I needed a way. I get a little bit of anxiety dealing with storms, especially since I have a brand new car this year. It's really making me nervous every time the weathermen report that there's going to be hail passing through the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So this was my way of kind of coping with that, I guess. And, you know, they say if you can't laugh at something, then I don't know what they really say, but if you can't laugh at something that scares you or gives you anxiety, or if you just kind of can't laugh at a subject, then, you know, it's kind of beating you, I guess. I don't know. So this was kind of the way that I was coping with all of these severe storms passing through, and it was a super easy card to put together. It only has a few elements, but I think the message is quite clear. So let's go ahead and put this card together. First thing I'm going to be doing is I've already loaded up my iPad app with the Cricut Design Space app, and I'm going to be running everything off of the app today in order to cut everything out on my Cricut Explore Air. So I've done a print then cut, which is going to be this piece right here, and now I'm going to go ahead and start letting it scan that page in, and let's get going. Alright, now that I've got my pieces all cut out, it's a very simple card to put together, and let's go ahead and put it together. So I hope you like my sense of humor, and I especially hope that you like today's card. I think that's going to do it for today's video. A very quick, easy, short little video, but it definitely makes an impact. It's a simple, easy, and not too difficult card that just took a couple of minutes to put together. I love being able to create my own cards using my Cricut Explore Air, which is just right back here. Makes life so much easier, especially taking an idea that I have in my brain and putting it out onto a card. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you liked my video, and then we'll hopefully share it across YouTube land. Also, if you're not already, hit that button down below that says subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get great updates every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to get social with me over on Periscope, Facebook, Twitter, and there's something else, Instagram. I always forget all of the different social media platforms that I'm on. Make sure to check all those out. Those will be down listed in the description below. You can check those out and get social with me whenever you feel like it. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Make sure to go check out all the other great CAC videos that are floating across YouTube right now. Go on an art safari, as Cinnamon Cooney would say. And until next time, guys, remember, keep it off kilter. Bye!